Hi everyone. So in this series, I'll be showing you how to use Maintenance Connection from a technician's point of view, but this can be translatable to any role within GAP. I'll be taking you through the startup process right through to creating work orders, filling out PMs, all the way through to finding inventory and many other things as well. So with that, let's talk about the sign up process. So signing up super easy. Maintenance Connection is completely web-based, so all of it's done through a third-party website that we just need to access using any browser. I will be using Microsoft Edge, but Google Chrome will also work for this. And Firefox also works, so does Safari. And if I just open up my browser, and on the top there, I could just type in maintenance connection.com. That. And then I'm taken to maintenanceconnection.com's homepage. I can actually just click login, even though I don't have login details yet. Obviously, you can see my existing login details, but let's say I've never signed up before, so I would just click on want to sign up. I am not an existing member, so you click OK. Then it asks for a connection key. Your connection key can be got from myself, which is Chris_Ramsdale@gap.com. I'll put the link in the description below. Or it can be obtained through your supervisor or manager as well. I enter the connection key. And now I have access to signing up and just adding some details. So I could just simply put in my name. Put in that, my email address. I would put in my works email in this case. Not my home email. Select your language. Obviously, loads of options there. There is a few options for English. If this is your main language, I would select the first one, just English. You then get to choose a member ID. I would use, to make it easier, I mean, you can typically use anything, but I would say obviously use something that's appropriate for work, but just use your workstation login. So whatever GAP provides you for your workstation login, I would just use that. So in my case, it's that. Obviously type in a password, something that's applicable to you. They'll just type in password 123 or MC, put something that's you're going to remember. You don't have to change your password periodically on this system, so as long as it's something you remember, that's fine. If you ever do forget your password, you can reach out to your supervisor or manager again, or myself, and we can get that password reset. Obviously, a quick security question, whatever it wants to be. So, childhood hero. Let's put in Luke Skywalker. Why not? Like that. And then all you do is select your repair center. So that is your site that you're typically based at. Some of you are at multi-site campuses, so you may move around, but your default repair center, and this obviously can be changed as well if you ever do move to another site or another campus completely. So all the options are there. You should recognize which one of yours is. Obviously, we've got the Canadian sites, but the Gallatin sites are in there. But let's say I will be working from Texas, which is our Longview Omni site. Just check the terms of use and agree those. Click OK. And it's going to throw me out because that's this. So you remember the ID provided is already in use by another member. If that is the case, then maybe you've signed up before, or maybe that member ID is already being used. It's usually unlikely if you're using new GAP member ID, but it's, so you could change it slightly, or figure out maybe I've signed up before, and maybe I can recover that member ID again. If that is the case, you need to recover a member ID. Reach out to your manager or supervisor or myself, and then we can sort that out. But obviously it's threw me out because I already exist in maintenance connection, but that is pretty much it. You click OK, and that is the sign up process complete. Once that's been done, the leadership team over at your campus will get a notification to say that somebody has applied for application login credentials, and then they can approve you, and you will get an email back saying that you've been approved, and then you will be able to log into maintenance connection. So let's assume that's taken place. I will quickly go back to the login. So you would come to exactly the same place to log in. For maintenanceconnection.com, click login, and then you can use your login credentials that you've signed up with. So just remember that password, remember that username. You'll be able to log in, click OK, and then you will then have access to maintenance connection. Just a quick note as well, there's two portals for maintenance connection. So we have maintenanceconnection.com, which I just obviously spoke about there, which is simply maintenanceconnection.com. And there is another one as well, which is express.maintenanceconnection.com. So express.maintenanceconnection.com. This will typically be, for a technician certainly, the default or the main portal to use maintenance connection. It's designed really for handhelds and mobile devices, and I'll quickly go through that, but the login credentials are the same, and many of the features being maintenance connection. You can see, hopefully I've been approved. I should have been. Click log in, and then you now have access to maintenance connection. That's the end of this video. In the next video, I'll take through creating a work order in both Maintenance Express and the normal system as well, and then we'll move on to other things. Thanks very much for watching, and catch you in the next video.